So again I take a thick, you can take a carton box, and you are going to arrange your rolls in odd numbers. Either you take 9 or you take 11 or you take 13 or you take 17, depending on the size, but the rolls should be in odd numbers. That's it. So I have put 15 sticks all around. Same way, let it get dry. You take apply glue, stick it over that. So I will let it dry. So I put odd numbers. Now I took one roll, I twist it, put it here. Okay, the first row will be a little difficult to do. Now see, you have to hold these up. Now you have two rolls here. Take this front one. Wait, I'll zoom in. See, take this front row one, twist it at the back, put this over here. See, the front will go at the back, and similarly it will go. The first row will be difficult to handle. Now this is in front, this will go at the back, and let this come in between. See, so the front, what is in the front, keep this standing. The rolls which are here, keep it standing. Now the two that you have brought from here, the front one, that is the one which is in front of this bar. This is called the front one, this is the behind one. The front one will go behind this bar. Okay, same way. Now the front one, keep these standing. So you will, this is little bit complicating. Front one goes behind this. The front one goes behind. So when the front one goes behind, automatically the back one will come in front. So it continues like this, and you will continue adding and continue. You will add, now I will add extra sticks here. As I showed you all, you will put the sticks inside. So see, you will continue, you will come, once you come here, this will automatically start going on top. So same way, the front will go at the back, and the back will automatically come in the front. So see, this is the front one, I will twist it. This is the back. Oh, this is the back and this is the front. I take the front one and put it behind this pillar. So automatically it will keep going like this. You have to continue, keep adding rolls and continue. So see, I have done this much. Now I am going to do it like this. I want this outer. So what I will do is, I will put all my sticks out. This is my joint, this. I will turn them all like this. Spread them like this. I will keep it like this, and I will work on it like this. So after I have flipped it over, it's the same thing that I will do, taking the front one at the back and the back one in the front. But see that you keep your sticks in line. So same thing, I will continue doing this, but folding it, and I will continue 2 to 3 rounds. Automatically it will start getting flat over here. Okay, so I will just do 2 or 3 rounds and I will. So see, I have kept it like this, and I have wound it, and you can see it is turning up. It is forming into a basket shape like this. Okay, so I will continue with 2 or 3 more rows, 2 or 3 more rows. Sorry, rows. So I have gone 5 rows around. Okay, so that's enough for me for this basket size. So now I will end it. So this is my rolls. I will just put Fevicol and just intertwine it among, just push it through this and pull it out somewhere, and just intertwine it with these. Just push it in, but you need to put Fevicol. Okay, I'm just doing it, but I will put Fevicol. Okay, so you have sealed this edges. Now for this these rolls that are here, we don't need such long, so we will cut it and we will make scallops, but we will cut this and keep it to make the handle. Okay, So you can see I have completed it. I have made the loops all around. Now either you put it now, you do it now, or you do it later, but you need to do one layer of Fevicol either when you're painting it. I prefer doing it when I'm painting, so everything, the paint and the glue gets done at the same time. So now let's make the handle for this basket. So now we are going to make a handle like this, but I'm going to make the handle differently. Okay, this basket I made with thicker rolls. These rolls are made out of the pencil. Hold the pen, take the pencil instead of taking the long broomstick. Now for the handle I'm going to plait. I'm going to take 6 and plait 3 together. So in the beginning here I'm just going to take one more roll and tie it up over here so that it doesn't move. Tie it up in the sense I'm going to just stick it up over here. So you can see I just put a roll round and holding this in. To hold it in place I have used a clip. So now I'm going to do the normal plait, but as I'm doing the plait, I'm going to do the plait first of all a little bit loose. Secondly, I'm going to press it as I'm doing. Press it down, okay? Same way you will do, so that when you press it down, you will get both the rolls seen, and secondly is you will get a thicker one. If you let it overlap, your handle will become very narrow. So press it down, press these rolls as you go on. And you must have noticed I have kept a little gap here. This gap is to push it into the basket, into the edge. So I have plaited this. Now I'm going to see how big handle I want. Remember, this much will go inside. So if I just put it here, this much handle is okay. So I stopped doing it here. I just take one of the rolls, put Fevicol and just wrap it around here to secure it. Okay, so it's one of the same rolls, just take it and secure it over here, and then you can cut off the extra. So now I'm going to cut off this extra part. And I'm going to put a lot of Fevicol on this, and I'm going to push it somewhere. So I'm going to make a gap here, and I'm going to push all these 6 rolls, not 4, 6 rolls. You can see it's come out here. I will put more Fevicol here later to secure it. Now for the other side, again I will make a gap over here. First put Fevicol, make a gap and push it here. So now you can put some more Fevicol on this inside here, so here your basket is ready. And now to paint it. See, I wanted to show you all, this is a paper basket, but I'm going to wash it. Of course, you cannot soak it in the water, but you can wash it. Perfectly fine and perfectly nice. Can you see? So you can wash your baskets, although they are made of paper. Dry them immediately in the sun and apply a coat of varnish, or even a coat of Fevicol will give it the same shine.